Hey guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the math project video that I've created. Now, last Wednesday the math project was due and I was able to come up with those two math lessons that I've taken, and I decided to put it to good use, for the project. So this is what I have for you guys. The intro to complex numbers and the absolute value of complex numbers. This is the two lessons that I've made as a video for this project, and I'm going to show you guys for this video. Okay, so enjoy this video. What's up YouTube? And in this video I'm going to be teaching you complex numbers. Now, this is what I've taken in the second quarter, this quarter, and I kind of find it really interesting because, it's somehow different than the lessons that I've taken last quarter. So, this is what it's about. Complex numbers is different here. So, for example, negative 2 plus 7i. Now, what does this mean? Well, the negative 2, the number only is real. And the number with the I, like 7i, is imaginary. So this is what it is here. So the rules are you're going to have to minus or add the numbers without the i's, and then that's just how you get it. But I'll show you here. Okay, so 2 minus 5i minus 1. Now what do you do here? Well, the 5i would stay the same, but negative 2 or positive 2 minus 1, it's going to be 1. And the 5i will stay the same, so it's negative 5i. Easy stuff here. So this is the answer, 1 minus 5i. And 8 parentheses negative 2i minus 1. Now how does it work? Well, all you have to do is multiply like this. So 8 minus 2i, you multiply it, it's going to be negative 16i. And 8 times negative 1 is going to be negative 8. So this is how you get it here. And all you have to do is flip these around. So it's going to be negative 8 minus 16i. So this is the answer. Negative 8 minus 16i. Last but not least, 11 parentheses 4 plus 6i minus 3. Now how does it work here? Well, first you're going to have to minus the 4 and the 3. So 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. I'll show you here, so it stays the same because you're going to have to multiply it afterwards. So now you have to multiply. So 11 times 1 is going to be 11. And 11 times 6i is going to be 66i. And there you go. Now I'll explain to you how this lesson works. So for this lesson, the real part, the real number, is without any letter, without the I basically. So this is the real part. And the imaginary part, this is when you have the I beside the 7 or any number. So this is the example here. So this is what complex numbers is about here. Alright, so that is it for this video. What's up YouTube, and today in this video I'm going to be teaching you the absolute value of complex numbers. Now this lesson is really easy that I've taken this quarter, and I really enjoy solving those questions. So it's complex numbers, but this is the absolute value. So let's get into this. Okay, so here with negative 5i, what do you do here? Well, negative and negative becomes positive. So you have to multiply 5 and the 5. Basically what it means that you multiply by those two numbers, the same exact numbers. So 5 times 5, of course, is going to be square root 25. Do not forget the square roots, or otherwise, if you forget it, it's going to be wrong. So it's going to be square root 25, because negative 5 and negative 5, you multiply it, it's going to be square root 25. So this is what it is here. And negative 3i. What do you do here again? Well, negative 3i. Negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be positive 9. So the final answer for this one is going to be square root 9. Again, don't forget the square root if you get the final answer, or it's going to be wrong. So negative 3i is going to be square root 9. Now, 1 minus 9i. So what do you do here? Well, the 1 stays the same, but the 9 you have to multiply by 9. So it's going to be 1 and 81. Because 9 times 9 is 81. So this is what it is. So now you have to add these up. So 1 plus 81 is going to be 82. So final answer, 82. So this is the answer here. 1 plus 81 is 82. Negative 3 minus 4i. So you have to multiply both of these. So negative 3 and negative 3 is going to be 9, and 4 and 4 is going to be 16. I'll show you guys here. So that's what it is. And now 9 plus 16 is going to be 25. So the final answer for this question is 25. This is what it is here. And 10 plus 9i. Now I'm going to tell you briefly that if any number is negative, it's going to be positive. Don't make it negative, because otherwise it's also going to be wrong. But anyways, 10 plus 9i. Since all of these are positive, this is how it goes. 100 or 10 becomes 100. So this is how it goes. It's 100. And like the last question, 9 becomes 81. Except for this one is positive. So 100 plus 81 is going to be 181. So there you go, guys. Now I'm going to briefly explain how this lesson works. So with any number, imaginary and real, all you have to do is multiply by the square root. So for example, if it's 2, 2 becomes 4 because you multiply 2 and 2. Or if it's 4, you multiply 4 and 4, then it becomes 16. Any number, you have to multiply by the same number that you have. And if it's negative, any number in this lesson, negative, it becomes positive. Anything negative, like I said, positive. Don't forget this. So this is what this lesson is about. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this lesson. So that is it for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. That was a math project video that I've created, and I'm just glad that I was able to complete it, so I don't fail and end up getting into trouble. So there you go. That was a math project video, like I said, and honestly, I love those math lessons that I've taken, the complex numbers and all this. It was pretty interesting. So if you like this video, please leave a like. That'd be really nice if you leave a like on this project. And I will see you guys again in the next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Alrighty guys, peace.